Happy Tuesday. Today I'm going to give you a tip for getting started on social media if you hate it. Hey there, it's Ajarae Coleman, founder of actingresourceguru.com, and I can't tell you how many times I hear from actors that they just can't stand social media. And it's funny, but not funny, because I totally get it. It can be a huge time waster. You can feel like it's not super personal. There are lots of reasons that social media may not be your favorite. You might feel like you just don't know what to do. And I totally get that. The bottom line is social media is so important nowadays because in our industry, people are building their own audiences. And actors are not just storytellers in the way that we show up on set and perform, but actors are helping to gather the audience for a particular project. And that's extremely important, as you can imagine, if you're producing something and you actually want people to watch it. So it's time to overcome your fear or your anxiety or whatever is going on when you think about social media and dive in and figure out how you can make it work for you. So I have a tip for you around this, and that is don't feel like you have to develop this sophisticated social media strategy and execute it and create all this content and do all that stuff. That's actually not where I think it's smart to start if you have an aversion to social media. My advice for you would be to select the decision makers that you want to become comfortable with, that you want to build relationships with online, and follow them. Engage with them. Don't feel pressured to create your own content right away if you're new to this. Become engaged and involved in these communities as a responsible and involved and giving participant. Retweet people's tweets and heart people's Instagram posts and comment on people's Facebook pages and just become known to them that way. That accomplishes a few things. You get used to using the platforms. You can figure out which platform you like the best and which you want to really pursue in creating your own content. And it also helps you become known to those people. I can tell you that I know the people who interact with me a lot on my social media. I consider them friends at this point. It's kind of funny how that works. So if you're engaging with people in a thoughtful and respectful way, it really can pay off. The last thing that's a benefit of this is that you become more aware of what's going on in the industry. I saw a showrunner that I follow is creating a program for people who want to learn to write TV scripts. That's something that I'm learning, so that was interesting to me. So I hope that helps give you some tools to dive in and begin. Let me know how it's going. Comment on the blog. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you next week.